Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from BRINYTE. Now this here is their PL01 Penlight. Now this is a new model from them. They wanted me to test and feature it here on my channel. Comes in this box. Nothing really on the outside of it, but stickers. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Looks like it only comes with a user manual. And just basic information on how to use the light. No light chart, but I believe this has 2 light levels, but it puts out up to 165 lumens. And there it is. I like the grooves here on the body. Definitely help with gripping it. Not seeing anything wrong with that. And it looks nice too as well. Clip on here. It's got some flexibility to it. Power switch here at the tail end. Style and design on this is nice. It's got a flat black finish. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the special optics. Now this is running a proprietary LED, HF-2525. And the machining and finish on this is nice, no issues. I've been doing reviews for many years for BRINYTE. Alright, well now let's go ahead and take it all apart. Show you, it does come with batteries, so it's a complete kit. Well greased threads. Straight contact plate there on the head of the light. And you get 2 alkaline 1.5 volt cells. I'm going to grab another set. Not that I don't like these, but I want to make sure. I use particular type of alkaline cells that do really well for me, so let me grab those. Okay, the batteries I'm going to be using, I use all the time, are the Amazon Basics. I've never had any one of these leak, ever. There's a spring down on the tail end. I'm going to go ahead and use these. Let's go ahead and put it all back together. These are great, easy to carry lights, probably the easiest besides a keychain light. Alright, so now let's go through the UI. Turning it on. See, it has a large hotspot here. No real spill area. So 2 light outputs, 165 lumens and 18 lumens. 18 lumens there. So if you use it on the 18 lumens, you're going to get some really good run time. It is if you're a mechanic, remember I used to use these all the time. and put them in my mouth. And that was before headlamps back in the day. Beam, you see how narrow that is? And there's spill just tapers off. It's just to be expected for this type of optics. And that's all there is to this light. Simple. If you're needing something to carry around, keep in the vehicle, I'd recommend, if you're going to store the light, to use nickel metal hydride rechargeable cells, and because any alkaline can be prone to leak, and they do expand, you won't be able to get it out of this thing. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this PL01 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the BRINYTE Penlight PL01. Let's go ahead and get started. Water spout, 38 feet, 65 feet to that tree. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. And it is making 138 feet. Nice. The range is impressive for just a little pen light like this. There's the next level down. Just want to make sure that I didn't skip one here. Only 2 light outputs if I remember correctly. Tested so many lights out here tonight, forgot. There's the beam on the fence. Even at this low light output, you've got some pretty good range. Water spout again, 38 feet, making that. So let's go ahead and wand it over here on the famous Tree of Life. And it is making that there. Probably got about 145 feet usable, that is. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice little beam performance on this, especially for its size and what it runs on, which is 2 AAA 1.5 cells is all you can run in it. 160 something lumens is plenty of light output. Of course, the battery is going to drain a lot faster at that light output, but the 18 lumens, you're going to get quite a bit of hours out of this thing. The beam is more of a kind of a floodlight. The further out you get, the hot spot is so large, you're not going to get a lot of distance out of it. But foreground spill area was a little weak on here, which is to be expected for this type of optics. And most of all, easy to carry this anywhere with you. Throw it in your pocket, shirt pocket, anywhere you want to go to have light for emergencies in your vehicle. You got it right here. Okay, well, I want to thank BRINYTE for sending me this PL01 to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video. Remember, this is under $20. I am working on a discount code. If I do get that, it'll be there as well to help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these BRINYTE products, flashlight that is, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.